Hello, guys. Hope everyone is good. It's me again. I'm going to drop some videos, some trade breakdowns. Yeah, guys. I'll start with AUDUSD. Um, Trading with context, um, building a case. Yeah, I'll start with this trade. I think whether one is 2, 3, or 4. Trading with context, like building our case. You see, I'm taking this relative high time frame structure. You see, this is our inducement, and this is our extreme point of interest. The reason why, oh yeah, this one is also valid. This one is no, this one was already mitigated. You see, first of all, I'm building my case, my relative high time frame. See, H4. Taking an inducement, taking out a trend line liquidity. See this reaction to the downside and to my high probability point of interest in a discounted price. Like, there's reason why I say this is a high probability point of interest. It took out this liquidity. See this internal higher high, higher low, higher high, then it sweeps the low. Yes, before we even go down to lower time frame. So yeah, it's 15. So let's take M5. You see, this is our point of interest. This is our accumulation. And this is our accumulation. Selling climate automatic reaction, secondary test, secondary first base spring. See, this is a stupid sell. It's a really stupid trade, this one. I'm selling because I saw the price sweeping this high in broke structure. Let me see. Yes, it's probably this M1, M2. See, the reaction three pip stop loss. Even we have this, we even have these equal lows. It's really important to trade with concept. We have even these equal lows, but because our higher time frame points toward bullish. You see, after taking this, high, and breaking this structure to the upside, look how price advances. You see, see, everything turns bullish now. Didn't even come down to this place to mitigate. See, if you are trading with context, there's something I noticed. Every strategy works, even trend line liquidity, even trend lines. But if you are trading with context, so for a smart money with liquidity and sessions, context is very important. Like if I'm talking about context, you need to build your case. You cannot, because let's say because this is my high probability setup, I sweeping this high. Because this is my high probability setup, I'm selling here. But without context, it's really useless. Even if this is a high probability setup, even if it's during, let's say it's during, okay, for a prime setup, I need my relative high time frame structure. Let's say if this is my M15, if this is my M15, M15 structure. Okay. Let me put it like this. I'm schooling myself. This is my M15 structure. Because this is a high probability, I do not need inducement if it was a sweep. You see? If the price, okay, but this is an easy setup. For me to sell here, this inducement needs to go. If it's just one move, okay, let me do like this. Okay, this low, my proper inducement is this one. For me to be even looking for sellings, this needs to go. Let's say this is M15 structure. Uh, Also, we have this trend line liquidity. See, it's perfectly in line with our. So this is our extreme. Okay, then the price retraces. It pushes here. It is very much better if the price did like this. It's very much better. It's much better. We don't even need inducement, but we can take it. Let's say it did a sweep or not. This will be our point of interest. It will be much better. Then price pushes upward. Then it reaches our point of interest. Around this area, this is what I'm looking for. If the price distributes, this is type of a price I'm looking for when the price reaches this area. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let's start with the flip. This is what I'm looking for when that price reaches my point of interest. This is my point of interest. This one. This one. Then the price sweeps this previous high into this point of interest. This is a high probability setup. You see, with context, I cannot just take randomly when I see this structure in M1, even if this is a high probability setup in line with the structure. If I simply take this trade if I see this price action on M1 without context, exactly what happened here? Exactly what's happened here. You see? I see the price sweeping the previous high. Okay, let's go to M2. Sweeping this high. What I do, I wanna sell because I see the liquidity below and the liquidity above. Then the price I expect it will drop. But my high time frame price is bullish. This is what I need to see. After the sweep, the confirmation, after this candle, this is my entry one. Also, this is my entry, so I don't need inducement on this one. If it's like this, I can, if it sweeps like, yeah, exactly like here. If this candle mitigate this one, I can take my entry also here. Or also if it's in my, what you call, near my supply, even if it's dead in tap, but it was in my extreme and during session, I can take this one. Or this is a flip, you see, if the price didn't sweep the previous high, it's simply closed. You see, this is my demand, this is a break of structure, then the price goes to the downside. This is my single candle block, took the previous high. This is my inducement. I will need inducement in this case. You see, then it pushes to the downside. I won't go for other entries. Let me take a screenshot. Okay. If this is a sweep, and during London or New York session, this is a high probability setup. Sure. Sure. Ikhona ngithathe nje isipiki uduka manje. Then I can take this entry. Remember, we have ton of liquidity below. Ton of liquidity below. This trend line buy is here. You see, that's trading with content. Remember also, it's during yeah. It's during our session. We see it's our inducement that been taken, and to our high probability point of interest. It would be much better if the price would just do it like this. Man, this is a combo. It will be much high probable. You see, building our case. This is our M15 structure. This is our, let's say, our M5 structure. You see, liquidity is in place, time and price. So even if, like, when the price reaches here, because everything is bullish, this we have to see this go. Even if we don't see this go, when the price is doing like this, man, it's screaming for sales. You see, such entries. such interest. I cannot take this one without inducement. That is a protocol. Also, yeah, this one I also need an inducement or more confirmation because it didn't tap a point of interest. See, this is for sale, but if we flip it, you see, need more confirmation. Okay, yeah, just like this. Break of structure, inducement. There are many variations, but this one, man, even if it didn't sweep, then it's still high probable. But this one is more high probable than this one. Then we have also the one that we do not, that needs inducement. Yeah, this is like trading with context. Relative high time frame structure. When I'm saying relative, it doesn't need to be 4 hours or daily. M15, M5 structure. After the price taps here, I go to M1. So I cannot be looking for buys here. You see. You see. Everything here was screaming for buys. Exactly here. What did I do? Alright. What did I do? Because I saw my high probability, it's become, you see, from a high probability setup, because my high relative high time frame is bullish, everything, the setup was really, really useless. Low probability setup, okay, then fine. The price sweeps continue to the upside. That's where I got my entry. Also, I got my entry. I could consider this. It is a high probability setup because it's in line with my higher time frame. You see, this entry I was talking about a sweep, but and this is my higher probability. This is I took it from the order flow. I opened my phone. I saw the structure. High, low, high, low, high, low, high. I saw this inducement. Okay, the price was around here, but I didn't see a relative high time frame. I just saw the price, of which is wrong. I cannot just open M1. Yeah, this is a good price action, but it must be in line with high time frame. See, I took an entry here. This one is stupid. It's amazing. You see, when the price is doing like this, sweep this low and close above this high. It's screaming for buys. Then confirm a break. We're buying. We're also buying here. Also another stupid trade, because I wouldn't say it's a stupid trade. It's a counter trend. Because you see, we had this liquidity. Also, I had this trend line liquidity. You see, when I say if you're trading with context, you see, breakout traders, they won here. Because because everything is in line. Everything is in line. You see, this is a 4-hour point of interest. See, then this is M5. Okay. You see, this pullback here would say it's a H1. See, counter trend, but this pro minor trend, this minor trend is in line with 4 hours. You see, until it's broken to the upside. Also another stupid trade. Another stupid trade. Let me show you. You see? Exactly. Trading with context, it's very important. You see, this is my trend line liquidity. This is a sweep. See? Higher, low. This box tracks to the upside. You see? I just saw the structure. It's even worse. Pushes to the upside. No, this is so stupid. Because I also saw this sweep. It was mitigated here. So I was buying around this area. After this, you see, a reaction is fine, but it's a stupid trade. First of all, you see, here's my high probability point of interest below, and this is a trap. I'm buying at this point where the price will just shoot downside before going to the upside. It's a stupid trade. And these stupid trades, they might end up costing me dearly. You see, stupid trade. I didn't trade with context. Didn't build my case. That's all. This is a high probability setup. But the way I took it, I was even happy when it hit take profit, because I took it on my phone and I went to sleep. I wake up, man, smashed my TP. You see. High time frame. 4 hour is bullish. It took out 4 hour inducement and 4 hour trend line liquidity. Then we start to buy at this point. And it's during New York session. I think it's during New York opens around here. This is during a kill zone. This is a kill zone. Took my entry. I think it was 1:4, 5, 4, 3. 5 pips stop loss, 4, 6 pips stop loss. Six pips stop loss. 6, 12. It was 1:4. Let's look at this one. That is what I wanted to sell here. I also need to structure I need to be more strict about my counter trend, because they do work, but I need to be strict, extra strict, because I wanted to hunt these orders before going to the upside. Yeah. You see, break of structure, inducement, tap to this point. Oh yeah, exactly. You see, tap here, sweeps, confirms, man. You see, it sweeps the previous high into this high probability point of interest. You see, went for I took my entry here. My stop loss was here. Went for 1:1. You see, it is a high probability setup, but because it's not in line with, it's a counter trend, it renders, I won't say it renders a setup useless, it dwindles the probabilistic of the setup. That's why I lose. Another stupid trade. You see? What annoys me is because you see, it's sweep. The sweep M15, M5. You see the sweep. Remember, everything points to what bullish. And it was confirmed here. I even realized it's just that when you're clouded by your bias, you do stupid things. I sold here. Stupid guy. The reason why I sold, because of this sweep. Immediately sold here. This is really unnecessary. This is unnecessary. You see? Because this setup was in line with like high time frame. Let's say okay, let's see 24 43 pips. I cannot go on like this doing stupid trades. Okay, 44 divided by 6. 1 is to 7. Yeah. This would have been a safer. No, it was a 5 pip stop loss. Yeah. Let's say 45 divided by 5. Yeah. Almost 1 is to 10. Yeah. Yeah, guys. This is what trading concepts look like. Trading with context. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stupid trades. And the one I took today, another stupid trade. Okay, it's on you. The reason why the price is reversing here, you see, start here. You see, we are sweeping the highs, sweeping the highs, sweeping the highs. You see, we are going downside. Broke structure, took out the high, go to the upside, check out inducement, extreme, downside. Let's go to daily. You see, this is a break of structure. So this is daily. Daily point of interest is a high probability. Okay, actually this is okay. We can take this one, but it's within this candle. But I think it's taking this because it took out this liquidity. Took out this liquidity. So I think this M4, this H4 to this point of interest. If the price continues bearish, you see. Another thing, like I would not have held this trade until this high, because I think, on my humble opinion, we need to continue because everything points toward bearish. We can go for this one. Before continue to the downside, taking out this low. Let's see, 2 weekly. Oh yeah, this is a high probability. Nope. Let's say, you can say it took the previous high candle high. Yeah. Yeah. think it will continue pushing until this point before going to the downside. Yeah guys, hope you'll enjoy the video. Cheers.